Welcome to our guide on setting up the K8 wireless microphone, the perfect companion for your mobile phone. This miniature microphone is designed for simplicity and efficiency, allowing you to record high-quality audio without the hassle. First, let's unbox the K8 wireless microphone. Inside, you'll find the microphone itself, a USB receiver, and a few accessories like windshields and a charging cable. Make sure everything is in place before you move on to the setup. Now, grab your mobile phone. The K8 microphone is equipped with a universal plug-and-play feature, so you won't need any additional software. Just plug the USB receiver into your phone's charging port. Make sure your phone is unlocked and that the microphone is charged. Next, power on the microphone by pressing the button on the side. You'll see a light indicator that shows it's on and ready to connect. Your phone should automatically recognize the device. If prompted, allow any permissions for audio recording. Once connected, it's time to test the sound. Open your favorite recording app and do a quick sound check. Speak into the microphone and make sure the audio levels are clear. You can adjust the gain using the controls on the microphone if necessary. And there you have it. You're now ready to record videos, podcasts, or interviews with the K8 wireless microphone. Don't forget to experiment with placement for the best sound quality. Happy recording! To get the best sound quality, adjust the gain settings on the transmitter. Start with a lower setting and gradually increase it while testing your audio. Lastly, clip the microphone onto your subject. For more hacks and tips to get the most out of your setup, be sure to check out our other videos. Or use the included accessories for optimal placement. And there you go. You've set up your K8 wireless microphone in under 5 minutes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful content.